I'm Dr. Brian Evans here at Coastal Animal Hospital, where we make your and your pet's life better. Today, I am very excited to talk to you about this new development, which is an early way to detect cancer in dogs non-invasively. And a huge kudos to the San Diego team that developed it right here with one of our local oncologists, veterinary oncologist, Dr. Andy Flory. She and a team on the human side were able to bring this out in a very short period of time with some really smart people, and I'm really excited for them and what they've been able to accomplish. So what is this test? This is a test through your pet's blood to detect cancer. And the way that it does that is cancer is a disease of the DNA. It's a disease of your genome. You get these little mutations in your DNA, and while our body has ways of dealing with that, it doesn't get it all the time, and that's how cancer develops. And these cancer cells continue to grow and grow and grow. And what they do is they actually release little tiny fragments of their DNA into the bloodstream. It's called cell-free DNA. And this test finds those tiny fragments of DNA, amplifies it, and lets us know that there's cancer in the bloodstream. You might have even experienced this yourself. If you or your significant other were pregnant and you had blood testing done, what they're finding is little tiny fragments of the fetus DNA, and they can tell you, is it a boy or a girl? Are there any genetic abnormalities that have happened? So this is something that's actually really commonly done in the human side, and they're able to take that same technology and apply it to animal cancer, which is just amazing. So very excited about it. So how are we going to use this? There's a couple different ways we're going to use this test now that we have it. And one is just as an annual screening. We're really proud of what we've done. We've been doing annual cancer screenings for the past 8 years, and nobody else has been doing this. It's kind of one of the programs that we piloted here as a way to find cancer early in dogs. So we do an annual abdominal ultrasound and chest x-rays. And we can use this new test in conjunction with that, because sometimes on the ultrasound or the x-rays, there'll be a little spot. We won't know what to make of that. Is that cancer? Is it not? We just need to follow up. So we can use this test in conjunction to say, is that spot a concern, yes or no? Or is it just not visible on x-ray or ultrasound? This test can just find these really small fragments of DNA that can give us that answer at the earliest stages. We can also use it as a screening for dogs that are more prone to cancer. And we know there's a lot of dogs that are prone to cancer. There's the golden retrievers, there's the Labradors, there's the Rottweilers, the Boxers. There's a lot of different breeds, as you can see here, that are prone. And so starting to use this test on an annual basis as they hit those later stages in their life to try to detect it at the earliest stages can be really helpful. We can also use this to follow up with treatment. So say your dog has gone through cancer treatment and we need to know, do we need to stop treatment? Do we need to keep going? You can use this test to follow up to see, are there still tiny fragments of cancer in the bloodstream? And if there are, we're going to continue treatment moving forward. So a lot of different ways we can use this test to try to either direct treatment or find cancer at the earliest stages. Overall, I'm really excited about this. This is something that I've hoped it was going to be here, but I didn't think it was going to be here for 10 to 15 years, and it's here now. And this is what Coastal Animal Hospital is all about. We're always at the forefront of trying to find what is new, what is great, and so many of these things that come out are new and great. It's just snake oil. Everybody claims to cure the world with XYZ product, and rarely does it actually work out. And so that's what we're working behind the scenes, is to see what's real and what isn't. This is real, and we're so excited to be able to bring this, because this is going to help us detect cancer early in our dogs, and where we actually have more of a chance to do something about it. Because so many times dogs and cats, they wait until the end. They're trying to hide their disease until it's almost too late. Unfortunately, this test is not available for cats. It's only specific for dogs. Hopefully down the road they'll have that for cats as well, but this is the first step. If you have any questions about this at all, please give us a call, let us know. We can tell you how to get this test done, and we're happy to talk to you about anything that you need for your pet. I'm Dr. Brian Evans here at Coastal Animal Hospital. Talk to you soon. Till next time.